Hi, this is Cooking with Reegan, and today I'm going to England. It's actually the last day of school, so I don't know when we're going to the airport. So yeah.
At the airport, at the airport.
That's definitely done. Apparently our flight is really delayed.
Hello, my name is Joe,
My name
but it's
is
not
Joe.
actually Joe.
And I work in.
So we just got our bags checked, so I don't know where we're gonna eat now. What the heck is the taste of Brazil? We're gonna go eat now.
Oh, there it is.
We're gonna eat now. So yeah. I do have to do some voiceovers, so yeah. Ate breakfast and we're gonna take showers and leave soon. This is currently the
Second plane.
Yes, it's okay.
So we just got off of our second plane, and now we're gonna go to our third one. Well, not now, in 4 hours or 3. But we're just charging up now. To show you something, this is the best view. You could see the planes. You could see the outside scenery. You could also see a lot of the work over here. Cars. It's beautiful. I just went to Panda Express. This is what I got. I got noodles with broccoli. Broccoli. I could not talk there. Crab and grit. just got to the hotel. I get my own bed this time, yay. Because we usually have to share it. Because we usually get 2 beds. So I have to share it with my sister, my mom, and my dad. So, and I think I'm going to charge my... Okay, I guess not. Yay! Thank you. London Bridge isn't falling yet. That's not the London Bridge. It's the Tower of London. London Tower or something. I don't know what it's called. I think I'm gonna grab. It's as big as the fish. It's this fish. This is fries. Oh, look, why is it already? It's good fries, actually. Fries are 9.5 out of 10. I'll try the fish. The fish is excellent. 10 out of 10. The school meal, 10 out of 10.
Front of the boat on both decks, and alongside the outer roof on both sides of the boat are the life rafts. Today, make sure now you've got everything with you. Have a look: phones, bags, cameras, and most important.
My other friend is quite hard going.
So we're about there. Yeah, no wait, there's like an hour and a half left.
Just one time, okay.
I went up a ginormous hill with others.
Better than
I mean, I think I.
Muffin. The muffin is out of 10. What's our new address gonna be? This is our cabin. No. The river is not our cabin. This is. So I think this goes out or this goes out. I don't know. A sit down area and everything. Hi.
Look at that view.
Yeah. This is the bathroom. Probably don't need to know that, but you know. And these hotels, it's really weird. It's like so hot, but in here in Europe, but it's because I think they're just used to it, but we're not because we live in the U.S. So United States. This is the United Kingdom. My phone is charging, and we're about to eat dinner and go to the convenience store. We woke up earlier at like 9 and now we're getting brunch because it's like 12 a.m. and we forgot to eat. We basically ate breakfast, but barely. You know, we're eating brunch. Breakfast times brunch. Lunch I meant, not brunch. That's breakfast times. I can't talk.
baked potato.
So we just got our lunch, breakfast, whatever you want to call it. And I got a burger with some fries.
What is this called?
This is what I got. I got fries, which are really hot. I couldn't really even eat it. And this burger. Yay.
Ski.
I kind of took a bite of it, but it was just mostly tearing it. We're at a waterfall, and it's really pretty. Whenever I film, it starts putting trees.
Bad flair.
No, every single time.
This, along with that, Aston County.
Where are your shoes?
Yeah.
Where are your shoes? You just had your shoes. Where's your other shoe? Go get your shoes. I was just a mistake.
Hi, buddy.
You gotta learn to fend for yourself, squirrel. That's the most calm squirrel ever.
No. Go on. Squirrel, that's our coffee.
Is it got any one of those grapes?
Huge.
Are you hungry? We just fed you a grape.
No.
I haven't filmed much because, I don't know. But my mom's birthday was in this month, so I had to get some cards and stuff for that. I got her orange chocolate and a notebook thing. I don't know. And a car. And a bag, you know.
In Indianapolis, 3 hours was about to go.
Yeah, I guess.
It works. It is now the next day, and I'm gonna go pick up my dog and my cats. And because in the intro, we were dropping off our animals. No, they were already there, but we were checking on them. So let's go to my animals to pick up my animals, and then that's gonna be the end of this video. It's a very long video, 14 minutes, 15 minutes. I have no clue. So I just picked up Ollie and Patsy. They're right here. Hey, Patsy. So I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Bye. Staring at the